What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fill a balloon mosaic frame with balloons. So without further ado, before we get into this video, if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, if you have any questions and other video suggestions. So let's just get straight into this. As you can see, the heart was used before. I used it twice before, but for this one it is for an event, and I'm going to be filling it with pride color balloons because it is Pride month. So happy Pride to everybody on my YouTube channel. And also I'm going to be using balloons from Qualatex. I'll list everything in the description box below. This blue is from a different pack of balloons because the Qualatex blue was too dark, so I'm using this blue one from a different pack. I will also link that in the description box below. I'm inflating these 11-inch balloons to about 5 and 6 inches, no more than that. You can inflate them a little smaller, but I'm doing it between 5 and 6 inches just to make everything look, coordinated and organized. I'm going to be inflating smaller 5-inch balloons to about 2 and 1 inches because I want them really small but not too small. But you'll get to see how I do that later on with my hand pump. I have all my balloons inflated. I'm going to be using my low temperature glue gun to attach it to my frame. I have my scissors to cut the tails off, or the ends, whatever you want to call it. My low temperature glue guns because a high temperature glue gun will definitely pop the balloons. And I also have some extra glue sticks in my little glass bowl right there. So when you're gluing your balloon onto the foam board, I like to turn it on the side because if I put the glue or glue it where the tail of the balloon is, then the nipple of the balloon or the dark spot on top of the balloon will show. So I like to glue mine on the side so the tip of it won't show at all. And I also do this for the baby balloons. And when you're gluing your balloons in the frame, you can either put the glue onto the balloons because it won't pop it because it's low temperature, or you can just put the glue on the foam board and place the balloons there. And make sure you also put glue on the balloons to attach them to each other to close up the gaps. So if you watch my other balloon mosaic tutorials, you realize that I'm doing something way different in this video. Normally I'll glue the larger balloons and the smaller balloons at the same time, but for this one I want to make sure that I have the right amount of colors in the right places. So that's why I'm going to be doing the larger balloons first, then going later with my baby balloons to fill in all of those gaps. Either way is still fine, but for this one I needed to do this. Okay guys, so for my baby balloons, I'm going to be using my hand pump to inflate them, and I'm just doing one pump for each balloon. For some of them, I'm releasing some air to make it a little smaller, but I'm not doing more than one pump for any of these balloons at all. But I do want some really small and some the same exact size it is when I did one pump, but no bigger than that. The purple and green are Qualatex brand balloons, but for the other colors for my 5 inches, I got them from a brand on Amazon because it saved me a little money, and plus it's Pride Month and all of these colors were gone. Like literally, you cannot find them anywhere. So I'm going to be linking the brand in the description box below so you guys could see what I use. I use them all the time because I'm always making videos, so I'm always using brands off Amazon. I'm also going to be making a video showing you guys all the good Amazon brands of balloons, especially because there's a balloon shortage right now, so stay tuned for that. But for now, you can check the description box for these brands that I used in this video. Okay, so now I'm using my baby balloons to fill in all the gaps. I made sure that I cut off all the tails of the balloons before I started gluing it. You can do yours different. This is my signature look, so this is the way I'm going to be doing it. But you can do yours way different from this. You do not have to follow my design. This is just the way I like to do my mosaics. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look for my balloon mosaic. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. No, I do not know how many balloons I used in total. I know that I used about 46 11-inch balloons, and for the baby balloons I'm not sure. I just know that it is definitely a little bit less than 200 balloons, but you guys are always welcome to count it yourself. But without further ado, that is all for this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about everything in the comment section below, and I'll definitely catch you all in my next video. Bye!